tell me that you understand it. Don't tell me that I'm too demanding. I need you to show me you're taking this too slowly. Don't tell me that you're what I need, no. I believe that when I see so. Time for you to show me. Hush your lips, stop your
What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Sunshine, and I figured I'd update you guys on almost every step of the process of the Freightliner Classic XL. I know you guys know that I'm trying to get this truck road ready, so you guys know I finished the floor, and right now I got the dash covered up, and I'm pretty much just giving it today. What I'm doing is I'm giving it another deep clean. I got me a bucket of bleach and soapy water, and I've already sprayed the truck down, the bottom of it down, and I've wiped all of this stuff. I'm working on wiping and scrubbing off this net. I'm actually thinking about unbolting this net and completely washing it and putting it back on. That's why I have it tied up off of the sleeper. I am getting ready to scrub the crap out of this baseboard thing, and I've already begun to like clean out the other side. I will be getting this truck detailed later as far as the bottom carpet, but I did order a mattress for this truck. It will be here Sunday, so I said why not get the rest of my tools out. Today I pulled the back liner off the wall because I sprayed all the way around in there. I sprayed in there red. This color right here, that bottom piece, that's gonna be gray or black. So I think it's gonna be black, and so I have to go get like 2 more cans of that vinyl spray, and I just have to like tape it off and spray it. And I really want to get that done before I put my mattress and everything in here, because it's getting to a point where I gotta stop spraying stuff. I took the speakers off and I sprayed the covers back black, so I'm going to be putting them back up there. I got some white lights up there that I just installed, and I got my red light down there because you know when you're riding in Big Daddy, you gotta ride with the red light special. So anyways, I'm getting ready to scrub the base. I already scrubbed the walls, but I have to put some shine on there now. I gotta put some interior shine on there. And I'm getting ready to remove everything off of this top bunk, and I'm going to scrub the top of the top bunk. Honestly, I really want that bunk to be up and not down like this, but there's something going on, like a lock over there that I have to get cut. But I did scrub the top of the bunk. I'm gonna hit it again because I didn't get it good enough, and I'm just going over the truck and wiping everything down. Then I'm gonna wipe my dash down and start putting stuff back together in here and cleaning out my cabinets. And as you guys can see over here, I'm not going back with my original curtains. The black, I just went to Bed Bath and Beyond, and I got some blackout curtains, which are, they prevent the light from coming in. And I got me some like shower rod hangers, but I have to fix this right. There's like diamond shower rod hangers, and I'm gonna have these blackout curtains in here. So once my bed gets here Sunday, I'll be putting everything in there and dressing it up. I do have a rug that I have to get, that I have in mind. So that's pretty much what I'm doing. All right, YouTube, this is what I have done so far on the Freightliner Classic XL. Today, I know I'm breathing hard because I just got finished cleaning up, but today I kind of dusted off the dash. So this is how we're looking. We got the floor in. I got my little hoopty seat in here to get the truck around. Also, I relocated the truck to put it in more light to the other side of my driveway. Check out the dash, you guys. I have a chrome piece that I'm gonna put over that air thing, the air and cool heat control, which I have it inside the house. I'm gonna put that on probably tomorrow. Look at the dash. I gotta figure out what to use to clean that chrome off better, because the stuff that I have been using has been causing smears in it, but I want that chrome to look a little bit more polished. So if you guys have any suggestions as to how I should wash that off, definitely drop that below. Look at my door. I haven't screwed that piece in, but this is giving you guys an idea of how the door is gonna look over there. And then over here, I gotta put that light in, but we got the red under bottom neath. We got the red, the black. I got my curtain, that gray curtain, and some little diamond hooks. And as you guys can see, I got my back piece put back on. The lights are in. Let me give y'all some lights. Bam. I don't know if that threw it off, but look at that. I got that blacked out ceiling piece. Y'all, this black and red to me is not the best. It's not perfect, but I love it. I got a vent I gotta put right there, which is somewhere around here. I got the closet I haven't put quite together. The pole I'm gonna leave it like that as is. I don't care about the black and red transition, because if you guys can see down there, it kind of did that too. And I actually have some fabric that I'm gonna be taking in between there to cover it up, but I just wanted to red it out, so as I'm getting this truck together, I can still kind of make it look complete. But I put some new bulbs in there. I got a red light at the bottom. I love it. And I pretty much cleaned the truck up again and hit it with some shine. I cleaned the bed up. I just got to get the rest of my stuff out of here. I do actually have, I told you guys this morning, it's a train coming, you guys. I told y'all this morning that I had a mattress in a box that's coming. It was supposed to have been here Sunday, but it's actually coming tomorrow. So I'm excited about that. I just got to get those, figure out how to put that stuff back in there and what was right there. We got a train coming, but I just wanted to show y'all, besides cleaning out these closets, cabinets with all my junk, as you guys can see, I've been spraying, gluing, putting this truck back together. I just got it tomorrow before my bed come. I'm gonna just take all this junk out, clean the cabinets out, finish putting my curtains in, and I'll be taking updated pictures. But this is just so hot to me, this black and red. That ceiling is like giving me life, like that black on red ceiling. Yeah, it is so sexy. Big Daddy. And I gotta finish putting my curtains back up. So it's gonna be gray decor with black and red walls, I guess. So, in the gray floor, and I have a rug coming, and I have to finish doing that. As you guys can see, I got this piece right here. It's dusty right here on the outside, but it's gonna go right there. And I got a new rubber boot that I have to cover that up with. So I'm gonna be taking that old boot off and putting this thing down there. So that's a project. And temporarily, this is gonna be my get around chair. So I'm gonna put a seat cover over this chair. I tried to spray it, but it started flaking. This seat is old, so I'm just gonna put a black seat cover or some kind of seat cover that blends in with my interior over this chair. Look at that, y'all. Tell me what you guys think. I feel like Big Daddy is looking more and more sexy every single time. Honestly, you guys, I feel like he's ready to roll. Like, he's ready to get down the street. But this is it for the inside. As far as right now, I'm about to put this cover over the window. And one thing we're gonna do is we're gonna drive this truck and get all the windows replaced and get all the outside electrical stuff done. And I just gotta finish putting that one piece on the dash and putting it in there. But this is it, y'all. And I gotta put the other door thing on there in the window. As y'all can see, we still looking raggedy. I'm ordering a window regulator today. As soon as I wrap this up, so I can be able to roll my window up. And I might just get all the windows and stuff replaced, well, I know I'm gonna do that. So, but for now, temporarily, I'm just gonna order the regulator so I can lift it up, and I gotta order the door assembly to the driver's side, and we're ready to get on down the road. I got all the lights and stuff that goes back in here. I just haven't really been on the urgency to put it back in there because it's not time to roll. But these are things that I can do last minute. They're not DOT compliant, so at last minute I'll be putting the truck together, and this space right here in this corner is clear. I think I'm gonna put my refrigerator up top so that I can have more floor space down here. I don't know what, or I might just get that really tall refrigerator that comes up to here, where it has like a separate freezer separate from the fridge. I might do that. I think that's what I'm gonna do right here to have a bigger refrigerator. So I'm thinking. I don't know what I'm gonna put up here. If you guys have any suggestions, let me know. But y'all already know your girl be having clothes for days. But I feel like the Classic has plenty of closet space. But honestly, I still got to have room for my clothes. So I don't know how. It's time for me to start thinking about how I'm going to put my cabinetry in here for clothes and food. But I am so ready to get this truck down the road and making some money. Thank you guys for all of your support and keeping up with the Classic. Oh snap, where am I gonna put my freaking TV at? That's what I have to realize. Like, where I'm trying to get this, I really wanted this upper bunk to be up so that I can put a TV somewhere. But if I can't get it up, that's what I'm gonna work on, you guys. But this is it as far as the inside. We got it pretty much complete. Only thing I gotta do is straighten a few things, empty out a few boxes. Oh, and get my speaker. I gotta have some music, so my radio is next. I gotta get my radio and my CB radio hooked up in here, which is going in there if it's not too big, because I know we got the Galaxy. So I'm excited, y'all. Thank you guys for watching my videos, and stay posted for the next up and coming videos. Have a great day.